Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make Carne Asada steak soft tacos. Oh, I said that right. Anyways, super easy recipe, on the cheap. So, sounds good to you? Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, get things started out here. We got our steak back here. It's nice thin steak. You should use flank steak. No place I went to had it, so I just got some nice lean thin cut steaks. We'll make do with what we got to do here, but you got to marinate this stuff for at least 4 or 5 hours. I'm going to marinate mine overnight, so we're going to start out by making the marinade. And to start out, we have a 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm just going to use a gallon bag here. Marinate my stuff in. And then 3 tablespoons of lime juice. And then we got to have some chopped cilantro. This is fresh, but we got 4 tablespoons, or sorry, 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. And then we have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And I put a little extra in mine because I like the cumin. And then 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder. So, and then we're gonna chop this cilantro up here. It doesn't have to be real fine, but you can do this. You can use the stems and everything here, because it all come out in a wash. Because that's just how we do it here. So, and we're just gonna coarsely chop it up. Like I said, you know, just basically want to break it up, get them juices and oils flowing out of that cilantro. Now, if you guys have a better recipe, you know, somebody out there that, you know, has the heritage and stuff, and has a family recipe for this marinade, I'd really surely like to try it. So if you want to message it to me or put it in the comments, that would be awesome. So, all right, put that in there. Get this over here. Grab our steaks. Now this is about 2 pounds of steak here. Like I said, these are just little. These aren't flank steaks like I was wanting, but it'll be all right. Now you can pound them out and tenderize them if you want, but there's really no need to. So take that, seal your bag up here most of the way. Try to squeeze a lot of the air out of it. Now there are some recipes out there for this marinade that calls for orange juice and lemon juice and along with the lime juice, but you know, just want to mix it around, get that steak all mixed up in there, get everything all mixed up in there. And alright, there we go. Got that all ready to go. I'm going to toss this in the refrigerator, let it marinate for, I'll probably let mine marinate overnight, and then we'll get to cooking on the next part. So, y'all, be a second for you, be next day for me. So, hang out, and we'll get to cooking after this gets good and marinated. Alright y'all, been an overnight here. I got me some olive oil heating up in the pan. We're going to let that heat up, and once that gets all heated up, we'll start browning our meat. So let me get this heated up and back in a second. Alright y'all, that oil's mostly heated up and I just don't want to wait anymore, so we're going to go ahead and grab our steak out of here. Oh yeah. Alright y'all, put the cover on this, I'll let her saute or sear up, and we'll bring you back when we get everything all cooked up. Alright y'all, you guys can see, got these things browned up nicely. Now the ideal way to cook these is on the outdoor grill, but it's winter time here and I was hungry for these, so this is the way I'm doing them. So let me get these off of here, get them on a plate to rest for a few. We'll get them cut up and we'll start putting our soft tacos together. Alright y'all, next step here, we gotta cook up our tortillas, our soft tacos, get them kind of warmed up there. I'm gonna make 4, so I got 2 of them on there cooking. I'll grab me a cutting board and we're going to slice up some of that steak, get it ready for the meal. So got that. Grab my cutting knife here, and you always want to try to cut across the grain. Flank steak and stuff's real easy to cut across the grain, see the grain in it, but this sirloin here, you know, I'm just taking a guess on which way it's going. And you can also kind of mince it up too if you want to do that. So alright, there's enough for one. I'm going to cut this other one up here. And I think I am going to go ahead and just cut this across the grain a little bit this way. So, alright, we'll get that done. Need to flip our tortillas over here, make sure they're not getting too done. We don't want them crunchy, so alright. See if we can get this kind of cut up across the grain just a little bit. That way it's good and tender for us to be able to eat. I'm going to sneak a piece because it smells delicious. Oh my, that is so good. Alright, I believe our tortillas will probably be done here on this batch. So grab me a plate. Oh yeah, those are warm. Throw a couple more on here, because we're going to, like I said, we're going to make 4 because they're small. So, alright. While those are warming up, we'll get ready and we'll bring you back when we're ready to put this all together. Alright y'all, got them done up. Now myself, I'm pretty basic on what I like to have on mine. And it's basically just a shot of sour cream. A little more of that fresh, or a little bit of the grated cheese. And I'll just throw a little bit of that fresh cilantro back on there, because I just like the flavor of the cilantro. So Not that you can't taste it from the marinade, but I just like it. So, alright. There we have it. So, just fold them up and we can eat. So, let me get this turned around and we'll do the taste test. Alright, y'all. Got these here soft tacos. Give it a try. That is delicious. Beverage of the day. We got a solo Fago ginger ale. Good as always. So, alright. There y'all have it. Hope you like this recipe. I really enjoyed making it for y'all. If you would, if you made it this far, please go down there in the bottom, hit that thumbs up. Helps the algorithm, helps the channel out, gets it out there. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe little box and ring that bell. Catch everything we do here in the kitchen and in the garage and every place else we happen to go and do stuff. So, again, appreciate y'all, and catch y'all on the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So, that's all we got for you today, y'all. Really appreciate it, and as always, bon appetit.